Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today we will discuss about innovation residence theory. This is about a technology theory which resists to take the innovation. So let us discuss about this theory. So this is my PPT, functional and psychological barrier of digital innovation. I am Naveen Kumar Singh. So this is about myself. I am PhD research scholar at Motilal Nehru National Institute of Technology, Allahabad. I have 2 years of teaching experience in undergraduate level and 2 years of teaching experience under 12th standard level. I have cleared NET in 2019 in commerce subject and 2012 in management subject. So this is my education qualification starts from bachelor degree, that is BCom from University of Lucknow, MBA from Jaipuria Ghaziabad, MCom from IGNOU, MPhil from BBAU Lucknow, and I am doing now PhD from MNNIT Allahabad. So this is a short story of my education qualification. So this is my presentation plan. So I'll talk about theory background. I'll talk about functional barrier. I'll talk about psychological barrier, and I will talk about barriers of innovation resistance. So let us talk about theory background. Innovation. Innovation is an idea, practice, or subject that is perceived and new by an individual or other unit of adoption, said by Rogers 1995. Technology innovations. Technology innovation is an interactive process started by a perception of a new market and new opportunity for an invention, which direct to develop improvement, manufacturing, and then marketing tasks essential for the commercial accomplishment of the innovation. Innovation resistance. Now come to innovation resistance. The resistance to an innovation is dependent on the psychological characteristic of the customer. It is possible due to a negative feedback of an economic system. Resistance is only a normal consumer response to an innovation, said by Ram and Seth 1989, and it may occur before or during the adoption stage. So this is innovation resistance theory developed by Seth in 1981. He mentioned the reason of innovation resistance by focusing on psychological side. It involved two aspects: habit towards an existing practice or behavior, or perceived risk associated with innovation adoption. So there are two types of uh, innovation resistance: psychological barrier and functional barrier. So let us talk about functional and psychological barrier. Functional barrier. Functional barrier are more likely to occur when there are significant change perceived by customer from adoption of innovation, including usage, value, and risk barrier. Whereas psychological barrier mainly arise when the innovation conflict with the consumer's prior belief, including tradition and image barriers. So this is the graph, this is the flow chart of innovation resistance theory, where we can see that innovation resistance theory are divided into two parts: functional and psychological barrier. Functional barrier are further divided into three parts: usage barrier, value barrier, and risk barrier. Whereas psychological barrier are divided into two parts: traditional barrier and image barrier. So, what is usage barrier? Usage barrier is something restrict to usage of the innovation system, whereas the value barrier are restrict to uh, maintain the value of the technology. Risk barrier always there in the new technology. People are not motivated to use the new technology due to various type of risk, and traditional barrier means the habitual use of previous technology in place of new technology. Image barrier are always there because the image of new technology are new for everyone, and the image of previous technology are already developed. So thank you. Hope you will enjoy and you will learn about innovation resistance. Thank you.